Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Rizky Amalia. You can call me Riris, and I'm from a class of TBI. And now I want to explain about we have question for passive voice, and let's check it out.
There's some kinds of via question that is what, why, who, when, where, which, whom, whose, and the next is how. Okay, for the first is what. According to Toko, what in the passive voice can be used to ask about the object of an action that the perpetrator does not know. For example, active. What is the cat doing? And you can answer the cat is playing with the ball. And the passive question is what is being done by the cat? And you can answer a ball is being played with by the cat. And the next is why. Why is used to ask the reason or cause of something. For example, active. Why did you answer the question correctly? And you can answer I answered the question correctly because I studied hard. And the passive is why was the question answered correctly? The question was answered correctly because the student. And the next is who. Who is used when asking about the subject of the sentence or asking who will do the work. For example, active. Who broke the window? And you can answer my sister is broke the window. And the passive, who is the window broken by? And you can answer the window is broken by my sister.
And the next is when. When is used to express time relationship or as a time expression. For example, active. When did you arrive to the coffee shop? And you can answer I arrived to the coffee shop at 10 a.m. And the passive is when was the coffee shop arrived by you? And you can answer I was arrived at coffee shop at 10 a.m. The next is where. Where is used to ask for a location or place. For example, active. Where do you buy the book? And you can answer I buy the book in the shop. And the passive, where is the book booked by you? And you can answer I booked the book in the shop.
And the next is was. Was is a pronoun used to ask ownership. For example, an active, whose is this car? And you can answer this is Nurul's car. And the passive, whose car is it? It is Nurul's car.
And the next is whom. Whom is used when you want to ask about the object of a sentence or ask who will do the work. For example, active. Whom do you talk to? And you can answer I talk to the teacher. And passive, whom is talked by you? And you can answer the teacher is talked by me.
And the next is which. Which is used to replace subjects and objects that are object or other than human. It can be in the form of goods, even or animals. For example, is in the active, which pen do you buy? And you can answer I buy snowman pen. And the passive, which pen is booked by you? And you can answer snowman pen is booked by me.
The last is how. How is used to ask how something can be done. For example, active, how much money do you get? And you can answer 1 million. And the passive, how much money are you gotten by you? And you can answer 1 million.